How to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send a PowerPoint and Messenger. Well, if you open up Messenger and if you head into a certain chat, if you head into this plus icon here or any other options, you can see that you won't get any option to send a PowerPoint and Messenger. Now there is a quick trick around it. If you open your Messenger on your desktop on the browser, then you'll be able to send it by simply tapping on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Similarly, you'll get it on your desktop, and from there you'll be able to choose a file from your device and you'll be able to choose the PowerPoint presentation and send it. Now in this case on device, if you want to send it on your mobile, what you can do is you can open up your Google Drive, right? First open up your Google Drive. You can get it from your Play Store, and what you want to do is you want to upload your presentation to your Google Drive. By tapping on the plus icon here, you'll be able to choose from your folder, and you want to create a new folder, or simply tap on plus and then tap on upload and upload a file, the PowerPoint presentation file from your device here. Now in my case, I'll just choose a simple picture here just for the quick tutorial. Now suppose this is a PowerPoint presentation file that I've uploaded here. We'll let it upload. Once it's uploaded, you want to tap on three dots option there and you want to tap on share, and now you can share the link. You can manage access here. You can tap on manage access, and then you can tap on restricted. You can tap on change, and you can tap on anyone with the link, and here you'll be able to copy the link. You can see once you copy the link there, you can go ahead to Messenger and you can tap on Google Drive and you can paste the link there and you can send it. The other user now can open up the link and easily access your file, and they can download it as well. So this is the way you can send a PowerPoint presentation file in Messenger on your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.